Hi, would you guys like to talk more about your project to the live stream here?
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay, hi guys. Hi Costa. Hi. Okay, so we're tackling the issue of foreign language learning with virtual reality. We looked at what's being done in classes now. We know that when you are learning foreign language, the hardest part is actually being confident enough to speak the foreign language itself. And what's being done in class now is that you get to role play, you get to role play with a partner, but that's not good enough. There's issues with that where it's manpower intensive and the feedback may not be very consistent. So we looked at VR, and what VR does best is it creates an environment away from the environment itself. And you also have very advanced machine learning models from Microsoft Azure. And coupling that together, we have a supermarket prototype where you speak to the cashier and you actually get to practice your Spanish. You speak Spanish to the cashier, it speaks Spanish back to you. If you're confused, you can speak English, it will give you the Spanish sentence, and then you can speak the Spanish sentence itself. We also have a pronunciation API which evaluates your score. It tells you numerically how good or bad your pronunciation is, and you can track changes over time as well. So that's what we have.
Okay. That sounds really cool. I think it'll be a lot easier to learn using this than just reading textbooks and talking to yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.